Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can transfer money from one PayPal account to another PayPal account. So for that you need to open up your PayPal account and then click on this option of send. After that you need to type the email address or the username of the person who is on PayPal. Make sure that you type the correct username or email of that person, as you might send it to a wrong contact. So suppose that person's name starts with COMF. Many people who are on PayPal will appear over here. So make sure that you are sending to the person who is already on PayPal. Only then you will be able to send from one PayPal account to another PayPal account. Then just select that person. After that, type the amount that you want to send and click on continue. And after that you will be able to make the payment to that particular person who has PayPal account. And this is how you transfer money from one PayPal account to another PayPal account. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.